वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स अँड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतली, सावध आनी भलायकेन, आनी ह्या गरमेन तुमी सगळीं जाणां उदक पियेतात आनी वॉटरमेलन खातात. आय होप यू आर ऑल डुईंग वेल इन दीस समर. And as our Easter is coming, so I am trying this time to show you all how to make hot cross bun without eggs. Eggless hot cross bun. If anybody wants to add egg on this, you can add just one egg it is. But some people don't eat eggs, then it is for them. And for others also. I myself prefer breads without egg. So let's start. So what we need is proven yeast. So I have taken 1 cup of milk, and in that I have added 2 teaspoons of yeast. Okay, few minutes and it is done. Then I'll be using this because hot cross bun always is been stuffed with some black currants or some tutti fruttis or some kishmish. So I'm going to add this. Then we need some flour to make paste to make the cross. So this is normal maida, that is flour, white flour or maida, and I will be adding little bit of milk or water you can add and make a paste and then do a piping. Then we need a flour, so I'm taking, so this is my size for yeast, that is 2 teaspoons I have taken. Here it is of this 2, and this is my measurement cup for flour. So I am taking around 2 cups. So 2 cups of flour. So mix this like this, and we'll add our yeast. And we'll all mix this. Now salt I will add later. First I want to mix this all nicely. So milk also is 1 cup. And make a dough, and we have to keep this for proving, and it has to be double. I'm using olive oil. You can use butter or you can use normal oil if you don't have olive oil. Now I am adding a pinch of salt to this, a pinch. and knead this nicely. So you can stretch it. The more you stretch, the more it is better. Put this oil a little bit, few drops. And we will keep this now for rolling. So it has to be double in volume. Cover and another batch of hot cross bun with roasted black currants and raisins. So this, I will put this over here now. Few sultanas, all I have added. And I will add this into this. So this is another batch of our hot cross buns. It's getting ready. So let's now तर हे जावन आसा हांवें थोडे रेसन्स करंट्स ब्लॅक करंट्स मागीर सुल्तानाज रोस्ट केले घिये बरोबर आनी ते आतां हितून घालून हेजे आमी आतां हॉट क्रॉस बन करूया. So we'll make same procedure. If you have seen my previous other videos, then just make round balls, and again we have to keep it for proving. So here is my third batch of hot cross bun with black currants, raisins and some kishmish, also sultanas. All I have mixed it and it's going for baking now. Same time 180 degrees for 25 minutes. Preheat your oven and then bake it. And here is my hot cross buns are ready. Hot cross buns are ready to eat. It's really hot, very very hot, directly from the oven. Manta tumka sogल्यांक न्यू video join केला with black currant, raisins, sultanas, kishmish सगळे घालून केला पळय ते तुमकां मानतले आणि हें मागीर तुमी करून तुमच्या घरान गरम गरम hot cross bun खाया. Thank you so much and happy Easter. Happy Good Friday, happy Easter to you all from Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel.